Welcome to my channel. Here we have 4 plus 2 times 4 to the power of 2 divided by 2. We first of all solve our exponent, which is 4 to the power of 2. 4 to the power of 2 is 4 times 4. 4 times 4 will give us 16. We'll put down our 16. Then we have 4 plus 2 times 16 divided by 2. 4 plus 2 will give us 6. Then 6 times 16 divided by 2. 6 times 16 will give us 96. 96 divided by 2 will give us 48. So 48 is the right answer to this question. And what if I say this answer is wrong? Because we did not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction working from our left to our right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's dive into the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our exponent, which is 4 to the power of 2. 4 to the power of 2 is 4 times 4. 4 times 4 will give us 16. Then we have 4 plus 2 times 16 divided by 2. So we first of all solve our multiplication, which is 2 times 16. 2 times 16 will give us 32. Then we have 4 plus 32 divided by 2. So we solve our division next because it comes first before addition. So 32 divided by 2 will give us 16. Then we have 4 plus 16. 4 plus 16 will give us 20. So 20 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.